Hey, this is Marcus, and I'm with.
Hello.
And we're just cruising around up here in Norte of Medellin and Bello, and this place is humongous. Look at all these kids. So I met Yessie out here, and we're just cruising around, checking things out. And it's quite busy, and we're coming from the park over there. We have so much stuff going on out here, it's just crazy. And what else? Right now we're at the bus station combined with Exitos, which is a store. It's kind of similar to Walmart, but I think the quality is much better. And there's just so many people out right now, and there's so much going on. And other than that, that's about it. I'll turn this camera around so you can see.